everyone. We are students from Colegio Técnico Profesional de Santa Cruz, Guanacaste, accounting specialty. I would like to introduce my classmate Susan Naranjo Murray, and I am Sandra Guzman Gutierrez. This is our project. We have been working on it for 3 months, a smart home system. This is about how to change a conventional home into a smart home. This project has 3 parts. Control box, including a microcontroller and chill Wi-Fi and other components like relays.
Well, the name of our project is Methodology for how to convert a regular home system into a smart system using the Internet of Things and the willingness of people on doing so. So we are using a real-time database to control any devices you have at home with your smartphone. What we are showing right now is our model that was built according to a regular home system, and it represents with the green color the conventional home system, and wire color white represent the smart system that we introduced into this model. We're using the Internet of Things to control all the devices we have plugged in at home. In this example, I'm turning on my fan with my smart device and I just turn it off. Also, what we are showing in here is a light. I'm turning on my lightings at home and turn it off with my smart device. But beyond that, we wanted to do something more, so we added a 3-way switch to control not only from your smart device, but also to manually turn it off. And I turn it on, and you can manually turn it off, turn it on again, and I can turn it off from my smart device. The Internet of Things is not only a cheap option for you to have at home, but it's very convenient because you can incorporate it within your existing electrical system. Within our work, we built a survey to determine the willingness of people to accept or change their conventional home system into a smart system. Sandra will talk about more about the results.
Have you heard about the smart homes? 76% said yes, they heard about the smart homes. Have you seen any smart home? 63 said no, they haven't seen any smart home. Would you like to have a smart home? 40% said yes, they would like to have a smart home. If you have the option to change your home into a smart home for low cost and easy to use, would you do it? 93% said yes. Do you think in the near future most of the homes will be smart? 63% say yes, they do think homes will be smart.
Our project is about the Internet of Things. So now we want to show you how it works inside of it and the process and methodology on how you will be able to use it. What we have in this picture is the whole root of the communication process that we have, starting with our micro component unit that we have installed at home. that will be sending a signal to a router that will actually connect to the internet, whatever you're asking it. We're using a real-time database, as we mentioned before, that in this case, the teacher showed us Firebase, that you can find for free in the internet, so you don't have to spend any money on it. And at the time, it will send you another signal to your smart device that will allow you to control any appliance or any device that you have at home. The rod will be turning back to the database in real time, the internet, the router, and the microcontroller unit to turn on or off any of your home devices.
Oh, I am hot.
Yes, and that is hot. Let's turn the fan on. With our project, you can not only find something that is really easy to use, but is very low cost. You will be able to see many other options at the market nowadays, but there's no many that you can simplify and integrate with our conventional home system within a budget. So we're really happy to show you this project, and thank you.